Hey guy, welcome to Indian Motorcycles. How can I help you today?
Hey guy. Yeah, so I heard that you guys had a Pursuit Elite coming out, and I want to come down here and get it. So like, yeah, hook me up, bro. Let's do this.
Oh, you're looking for the Pursuit Elite? That is a good eye you've got there, because let me tell you, that is the creme de la creme of motorcycles that we have here.
Look, man, I am so excited about this bike. Like, just seeing that it has the Elite brand name on it, this thing has got to be the most special bike out there. I can't wait for you to tell me about all the special stuff, all the limited edition pieces, the upgrades to the engine, everything that you've just done to make this just the best bike. So lay it on me, bro.
Yes, definitely. It is such a great bike, and it has so many awesome upgrades I can't wait to tell you about.
Okay, so this bike's coming in at $40K, which is $10K more than the Dark Horse and the limited edition and all that stuff. So I'm sure that you're about to tell me about all the awesome stuff, like the beefier engine, the more limited like parts on there, stuff that I can't get anywhere else. Like, come on, let's hear it. Let's hear it.
Well, so we did a new paint job. We added some copper accents to it, and yeah, I mean, it looks incredible. Let me tell you, I cannot wait to show you this bike.
Wait, so you paint and copper and that's it?
Well, yeah, that's it. That is all we did. But it's a really nice paint job, let me tell you.
Look, man, look. I left Harley because I was sick and tired of year after year coming in and just seeing the exact same bike with a different paint job but a bigger price tag. And you're telling me that I'm coming over here and you're doing the exact same thing to me? Oh, what the hell is going on here? Get out of here with that. Are you serious? Like, you guys are just doing the same thing now? You're just repainting stuff and upping the price?
Oh, I'm sorry. A sucker says what?
What?
Oh, don't worry about it. Trust me. It just goes right over your head.
All right. So what makes these so elite then, if all you did was change the paint and add a little bit of copper here and there?
Well, what makes them elite is we've made less of them, so they're harder to get. But don't worry, there's actually a fair chance that we don't have one in-house and we can't get it. So you're not going to get it anyway. We're actually going to steer you towards a totally different bike altogether that we already have in stock, so we don't actually have to try and get something else. That's kind of what we do here at Indian. We don't care what you want. You're gonna get what we give you, and you're gonna like it.
Look, man, I don't think elite means what you think it means, and that's very troubling. I think I got a dictionary and a thesaurus in the car, though. If you want, I can go out and get those and we can read them together.
Look, maybe the issue here is you can't afford an Indian motorcycle.
Nah, dude, like, what is that? Like, oh, I can't afford it. That's what Harley guys say. Like, now you're ripping off Harley with their, like, stupid little one-liners about why I'm not buying your bike?
That's what Harley owners say. So whatever, guy, whatever. No, everything here is completely original.
What? Come on, guy. Like, seriously, is there anything you haven't stolen from Harley? I mean, looking around this place, like, your Chieftain looks like a Street Glide. There's a Road King over there. There's a Road Glide over there. There's some Sportsters. Like, what do you... And now you're just stealing their one-liners? Like, you guys are out of control. What the hell's going on with this place? I thought you were supposed to be better.
What? What else is stolen from Harley? Look here, man. We don't steal anything from Harley. All of our ideas are completely original. Our bikes are completely original. You never saw any of these bikes. You never saw anything that even looked close to these bikes until you came into an Indian dealership. Let me tell you, bottom line, we live to ride and ride to live. And when we're not doing that, we're here helping you to find your freedom. So don't come in here telling me that we steal stuff from Harley, because that's just not what we do. That's not our thing. We are the original. Like 1901, you could tell because we brand everything 1901. In fact, we're gonna have to probably start branding even more things 1901 now that we can't really use most of the Indian logos we used to have. Something about offending people. Didn't see that one coming. That was weird. But yeah, we are original.
I'm out of here, man.
Hey, wait, where are you going? I haven't even showed you the button-up shirts we have yet with the V-twin engine that's hiding behind ferns, because that totally makes sense and everybody wants that shirt. Come back.
Nah, brah, nah, I'm not buying your stupid fern shirt, all right? Like, oh, who even thought that was a good idea? Let's take an engine and hide it behind a fern. Like, what is this, like Pornhub or something? Like, you know, the engine's spying on me from behind a fern? That's dumb, brah. I'm out of here, man.
Legit, man, that hat fits a little too snug. It kind of like, I don't know, cuts off like circulation to my brain. Maybe I should wear that hat when I try and go shopping at India. Things will make more sense. Yeah, I've mentioned in previous videos, like I actually went and tried to get the Challenger Elite. I emailed back and forth, and the people I was talking to would not admit the fact that they could not get a Challenger Elite for me. They kept wanting me to come into the shop and see what they had available. So I'm sure that that's going to happen with these Pursuits as well. If you try and go get one and you haven't put money down on it like last year or some crap. So whatever, it's just kind of silly. And honestly, I'm very let down with Indian and what they're doing, because like the Elite line, if you compare it to the base model, yes, it has the adjustable monoshock, like the one that you can do on the TFT screen. But the Dark Horse and the Elite have that, or like whatever the hell their middle ground bike is. So that's really nothing. So I mean, for 10 grand more, you're paying for a paint job. So good job being even more Harley than you were yesterday there, Indian. I don't know. Are you guys trying to get an Elite? Let me know. Throw it down in the comments below. If you're going to, you better hurry. They're only making 250 worldwide. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and share this video with friends. Share it with family. Share it with that one dude you know who's like, oh, the Indian's the most original thing ever, and blah, blah. They love this stuff. Trust me. And I'll see you all on the flip side.